Hey everybody, what's going on? So I posted a video earlier today of a script for a menu system to kind of pull up my config files, and I was gonna go over the entire script, kind of write it out on camera, but well, not really write it out on camera, but just kind of cover everything on camera. But I was on my lunch break at work, and I just didn't have time to do that. So anyway, I thought what we could do here is just kind of go through and actually write another one real quick to just give you the idea of how to go about doing it and how it's actually pretty easy to do on at least this specific script. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So let's open Vim and we'll name it menu.sh. So always with a script, what you're going to want to start out with is a shebang. Oops, we got to actually go into insert mode first. And then you want the shebang. And then bin/bash. And we're going to comment here before some lines so we know what's going on. And so what we're going to do first is we're going to comment that we need a prompt for input. So what we want the prompt to be, we put ps3 equals, and let's have this one be what program do you want to launch? And we put that in double quotations. ps3, which is the prompt, ps3 equals what would you like to launch. That's in double quotations, and there's no spaces between the equal sign and ps3 or the equal sign and what you want the prompt to say. So then at that point, we need to create an array. And so for our array, we're just going to call it progs. So let's just do a few. So we'll do Firefox. We can do... we'll do Nemo as my file manager, and we'll do let's see what else we can run. Let's do Brave. This is just some browsers and stuff, but NYXT for next, and maybe we'll do quit. So then we close that parenthesis. So we've got progs as the variable, no space, equal sign, no space. Then we've got parentheses, and inside those parentheses we have a few programs, the programs we actually want to have on our list. So let's go back up here. We're going to hit enter, and we're going to create another comment here letting us know that this is our array of choices. So this is our array of choices that we're going to have to choose from in our menu. So now we are going to have the functions, the function portion of the script. So at this point here, all we need to do is we need to create our statement. So we select and we'll say program in, and then we'll call it, or we'll just in the curly braces $, and in the curly braces we'll put progs, and then we need to have the brackets with the @ so that way it will actually open and do the whole array and not just the first entry. Then we close the oops, this should be in in double quotes as well. And so then we do semicolon, and we do, and then we start the case. And here, as you can see, right here we're pulling a program out of this array. So for the program, we have to have the $sign in front of it and the parentheses as well. So that's saying for program in, and then we start listing off our programs that we want to run. So let's say Firefox is the first one. We double quotes and closing parenthesis, and we hit enter, and then we just run Firefox. Then we hit enter, and we do break. Actually, we don't even have to hit break. Just do double parentheses, and we hit enter, and then we do our next one, and we want Nemo. So then we hit Nemo, quotation marks, then we do our next one, and we do Brave, and we do and then we do one more, double quotes, we do next, closing parenthesis, those guys, and then to exit, we just do that. Oops. Then we hit exit. Sorry, got a little ahead of myself. And where did we go? I don't know why we've got that going on there, because I didn't have the... There we go. Sorry. But hey. And then we have that. And then at the end, once we've got all of our programs that we want to start in there, in this case file, we actually have to close it. So we do ESAC, which is case backwards to close it. And then to close that select loop, we do done. And then that's it. And we write. And we have no syntax issues. So then what we need to do is we'll write and quit, and then we'll do a ch mod +x menu.sh, enter. And now if we do /menu.sh, we hit enter, we get our menu pops up. If we want to launch Firefox, we hit 1, and I have Firefox set to launch on Windows 3, so there it is there. If we want to close that, go back to the menu, it comes back and it closes it. And so which one do we want to launch now? Let's go with Nemo, so we'll hit 2, and it launches Nemo for us. So we close that, it brings us back and gives us our prompt again. What program do you want to launch? Let's go with 4, we'll do Next, and Next actually launches on Workspace 2 for me. So there's the Next browser right there. We close that. And what else did we have? Brave. So if we do 3 to launch Brave, it takes us over and launches Brave for us. And now if we want to quit, we hit 5. Oh, and we didn't do our quit correctly. Well, let's go back into it. Control C, vim menu.sh. What do we got with quit? Alright. So let's see. Oh, no wonder, because I hit exit up there. I got ahead of myself, and so now we do exit, escape, we'll delete that line, and write, and now let's go out again, and vim menu.sh, that's all good, right, quit, and then so now let's run it again, and let's try 5 to quit, and that quits us out of the program. So just like that, quick and simple. Quick and simple, you can write a quick little program to actually launch a menu in your shell, and you can actually put whatever you want in there. Like I said, I've got my config files in the one I created. Now this obviously has programs you can launch in it, and as I said in the other video, I'm creating a kind of a game for the kids, a quiz that they can play around with and mess around with. But yeah, it's actually pretty slick, it's pretty easy, and yeah, sorry if my terminology was incorrect. Like I said, I'm new to shell scripting, and so the arrays and prompts and functions and all that stuff, I'm still learning what each one of them is, and if I mislabeled anything, I apologize. Correct me on it if you will, if you can, so I can learn too. But yeah, nice and easy. So I hope you appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you can maybe get some use out of it. So thanks a lot, and God bless.